In this video, we are going to analyze the meaning of the protection code P4, which refers to protection triggered by a higher than normal temperature at the compressor outlet or discharge. This code is particularly associated with the following brands: TCL, Toshiba, Trane, York, Pioneer. In this case, the following checks are recommended. 1. Turn off and disconnect the unit for several minutes to see if the P4 code reappears. 2. If the code persists, it is important to check the status of the temperature sensor located on the thinner or discharge pipe of the compressor to rule out a false alarm. To check this sensor, follow these steps. A. Use a multimeter to measure the sensor's electrical resistance, setting the multimeter to the kiloohm scale. B. Measure the resistance, ensuring that the obtained value is neither zero nor infinite. C. Rub the sensor with your hand. The resistance value shown on the multimeter should decrease when the sensor is rubbed. D. If you have the sensor's resistance versus temperature chart provided in the unit's manual, compare the measured value with the value indicated on the chart. E. Set the multimeter to DC voltage and check the sensor's voltage supply while it is connected. It should be 2.5 V during operation. 3. Clean the condenser of the outdoor unit to ensure proper heat exchange. 4. Evaluate the condition of the condenser fan to make sure it is working correctly and is not obstructed or damaged. 5. Check the proper insulation of the air conditioning unit's pipes. 6. Verify the pressure, especially if the unit has recently been recharged with refrigerant, as an overload could trigger the error. The normal pressure with our 410A and our 32 is around 120 psi when the unit is running. 7. The presence of a high thermal load in the space where the unit is installed can cause high discharge temperatures, which would trigger the P4 code.